सभी योग साधकों का हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत। संवाद अंतरराष्ट्रीय योग वर्ग में जुड़े सभी योग साधकों का हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत। आज के हमारे जबरदस्त ट्रेनर है जो दुबई से जुड़े हैं, मोहिनी जी, आपका हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। यू आर वेलकम टू संवाद इंटरनेशनल क्लास। Today's honorable guest trainer is Mohini Ahire. She is a BSc Biotechnology and MBA in Food Business Management. She is working as a sales manager in food industry. She is from Dubai. And again, I will request all of the yoga sadhaka to clap her for welcome. Good, welcome Mohini. हमारी आवाज आ रही है आपको? यस, ओके ओके ओके,
क्वाइट ऑडिबल।
गुड 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 गुड। तो बहुत ही हमें प्राउड फील हो रहा कि मोहिनी बाहर देश में होने के बावजूद भी हमारी जो परंपरा है, प्राचीन योगा है, उसका प्रमोशन कर रही, उसका संवर्धन कर रही है। हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है। और आज भारतवासियों के लिए अपने दुबई से सेवा देने वाली है, यह हमारा सौभाग्य है। इट्स रियली ग्रेट प्लेजर फॉर एवरीवन। डेफिनेटली वी फील प्राउड कि मोहिनी बाहर देश जाके भी अपनी जो परंपरा वो कायम रख रही, और वहां से भी हर देश में तू तेरे नाम आने का तू एक ही है कि वहां जाने के बावजूद भी अपने लोगों की सेवा एक बातचीत पे, एक फोन पे। हमारे जो योग साधक है जो शारजा से जुड़े अप्पा जी कांबड़े सर, उन्होंने मोहिनी मैडम का नाम सजेस्ट किया था, और आज एक बात पे, एक सिंगल कम्युनिकेशन पे हमारे लिए तैयार हो गई। तो मोहिनी जी का मैं हार्दिक हार्दिक पुनः स्वागत करता हूं। और सभी योग साधक जो जुड़े हैं वो खुद को डेफिनेटली लकी समझना। आप मोहिनी जी, ये अपने 7 व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है, कुछ बहुत सारे लोग रिकॉर्डिंग देखते हैं, उनके समय के हिसाब से अभी कंटिन्यूअसली 7:20 तक पूरे जुड़ जाएंगे। डेफिनेटली मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करता हूं, हमारा समय हो गया तो आज की योग कक्षा शुरू कीजिए। यू मे स्टार्ट टुडेज क्लास। ओके मोहिनी, वेलकम।
या नमस्ते एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच राजू। नमस्ते एवरीवन एंड गुड मॉर्निंग। Thank you so much Raju ji for giving me this wonderful opportunity to do a little seva from my side, and I'm really happy to see many of them have joined today. I'm really excited to take today's class.
Yes.
So let us begin our today's session with few instructions. A humble request to each one of you. Please do yoga as per your capacity. Do not overdo it and do not overstretch it. Always understand the limits of your body. And if you already have a back pain, avoid doing forward bending. And if you're suffering with high blood pressure, avoid holding your breath while performing today's yoga sadhana or during pranayama. So I welcome you, all of you. So let us begin. You can please stand on your mat, and if possible, can you please switch on your video so that we can correct the postures also. So very good. So let us start our today's session with warm up. Keep beautiful smile on your face and let us start. So breathe in, take your head back. Breathe out, touch your chin to your chest. Breathe in. Again, take your head back. Breathe out. Touch your chin to your chest. Coordinate your body movement with your breath. Breathe in. Again, head center. Breathe out. Drop your head on your right shoulder. Push your head on your right shoulder with the support of your right hand. A very gentle push, do as per your capacity. And left hand straight, stretch parallel to the ground. Feel the stretch on your left region of your neck. You can close your eyes and feel the stretch. Breathe in, head centered. Breathe out, drop your head on your left shoulder. Right hand stretched parallel to the ground. Push your head, very gentle push to your head on your left shoulder. Keep smile on your face. Again, breathe in, head center. Breathe out, drop your head on your right shoulder. Left hand stretched parallel to the ground. Breathe in, head center. Breathe out, drop your head on your left shoulder. Feel the stretch on your right neck region. Very nice. Breathe in, head center. Now, we'll do a complete neck rotation. Breathe out, touch your chin to your chest here. While breathing in from your right side, take your head back. While breathing out, head comes forward from your left side. One more time, breathe in. Head goes back. While breathing out, head comes forward. Do a gentle neck rotation. Even breathe is also very gentle, like smelling a flower. Breathe in, take your head back. Breathe out, head comes forward. Now anti-clockwise rotation. Breathe in from your left side, head goes back. While breathing out, head comes forward. Do a complete neck rotation. Feel the stretch on your entire neck region. So in warm-up, our entire body gets activated and prepare ourselves for the asanas. Last time. Now breathe in, head center. Very nice. Now both hands stretch forward, parallel to the ground. Stretch forward. You're stretching your hands in such a way that your wrist is pushing forward and your fingers are pulling towards your side. So create a complete stretch on your entire arm. Starts from your shoulder, elbow, your forearms, your wrist and fingers. Open, widen. Very nice. Once you stretch your arms completely, make a nice side waves like a Tata movement. Keep smile on your face. Say bye-bye to all our worries and sorrows from our life. Very nice. Now, down, up, down, up. Take your hands down, up. Like, now welcome happiness and joy in your life. Very nice. Now make a nice feast of your hand. Make a nice feast of your hand. Open, widen. So here our entire palms, muscles and joints are getting exercised. Again, make a feast. Open, widen. One more time, make a nice feast. Open, widen. Last time, make a nice feast. Face your feast to the ceiling. Face your feast to the ceiling. Now, bend your right hand, left hand straight, then left hand straight, right hand bend. Continue doing it for 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Side waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Now you must be feeling a little bit stretch on your arms. So let us shake your hands. Shake your hands. Loosen up entire arm muscles, your hand muscles. While shaking your hands, take your hands up, all the way up. Very nice. Take it down. Down. Now walk a little bit on your mat. Take your hands up. Take your hands down. Very nice. You guys are doing very good. Now a little bit walk, like little faster. Little faster. Now by your side. Take your legs by your side. Very nice. Now forward. Forward. Just be with yourself. Do not bother about anything. Just enjoy today's session. Take your legs back. Your heels should touch to your hips. Your heels should touch to your hips. Very nice. Relax. Relax now. Now, open your chest, widen. Take this beautiful fresh air in the morning. Such a beautiful breeze outside. Open your chest. Now, give a nice hug to yourself. Very nice. Give in such a way that you're holding your shoulder blades from back. Again, inhale. Open your chest, widen. This time, last time, if your right hand was up, this time left hand is up. Give a nice hug to yourself. Keep smile on your face. When you smile, you look more beautiful and more handsome. So keep smiling. Again, relax now. Relax. Now we'll do complete waist rotation. So take your stomach forward. While breathing out in from your right side, take your hips back, left and forward. Make a nice big circle of your waist. Very nice. Big circle. Big circle. Feel the entire stretch on your waist muscles, on your waist region. Now, anti-clockwise. From your left side, feel the stretch. Coordinate your breath movement with your body. Very nice. Now, side to side, left, right, left, right. Very nice. Now, keep the little bit more distance in your legs. Keep the distance, more distance in your leg. Now, left hand straight. Left hand straight, we'll do Trikonasana. But we are doing, make sure you're stretching only from your side muscles. So we are stretching towards your left side. So now, very slowly, if your left hand is up, make sure your hand is behind your ears. And very slowly, right hand is slipping towards your knee. Left hand is stretched in the air, straight in the air. Very slowly, your right hand is slipping towards your knee. And now, look at your palm. Look at your palm. Pass your beautiful smile to your palm. Stay there, last 5 counts. Stay there for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And gently come back. Very nice. Make sure you are bending only from the sides. Do not bend from middle of your spine or else you'll hurt your back. And now this time, right hand is up, stretched up in the air. Very slowly, Slip your left hand towards your knee. Look at your palm. Again, pass your beautiful smile. Feel the stretch on your right side of your body. Stay there for last 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Relax, very nice. Now, heels toes together. Now we'll do wonderful asana, which is Tadasana. In Tadasana is a very good posture for the frozen shoulder and frozen neck. This is a very much recommended asana for those who are suffering with the frozen shoulder and frozen neck, especially the IT people. So how to do it? Tadasana. Heels toes together. Heels toes together. Interlock your both the hands. Interlock your both the hands. And once you stretch your hands down, with the same stretch, take your hands forward. Take your hands forward. And same way, take it up. Arrange your both the hands behind your ears. Make sure your elbow is not bending, elbow is straight. Elbow is straight. Very nice. Now, close your eyes. Focus on your breath. And in every inhalation, stretch your arms further up. Next inhalation, again, stretch your arms further up. Stretch your arms further up. Last time, inhale and stretch your arms further up. And open your eyes. Focus at the point exactly in front of your eye. Exactly in front of your eye. Open your eyes and focus at the point located at exactly in front of your eye. And increase your height by coming on your toes. Come on your toes. Very nice. So this particular asana also aligns our vertebra. Posture related issues goes away. Now walk 3 steps forward. Walk 3 steps forward. Walk 3 steps behind. Come on your toes and walk. Walk 3 steps forward. 3 steps behind. Very nice. Now relax your legs. Relax your legs. If you feel tired, put both the hands on top of your head, but do not loosen up. This is a wonderful asana. Also, it increases our focus and concentration. Again, now in next inhalation, last few seconds, give your 100%. Inhale, up, stretch your arms up. Last time. Now, turn your body towards your left side. This is a wonderful spine twisting. It increases elasticity of our spine, vertebra. Inhale, center, center. Exhale, go towards your right side. Go towards your right side. Center, center. Bend back. Bend back. Exhale. Make a nice 7. Make a nice 7. Make sure you are bending only from your abdomen. Now very slowly release your interlock. Release your interlock. Very nice. Both the hands on your shoulder. Elbows together. Elbows together. Inhale. Take your leg. Take your elbow up. Exhale. Down. Make a nice clockwise rotation for 3 times. Very nice. Anti-clockwise. While breathing in from your left side, take your hands up from back side. Very nice. Relax now. Now, right hand goes towards your left side. Support with your left hand. Turn your head towards your right side. Very nice. Center. Now left hand goes towards your right side. Support with your right hand. Turn your head towards your left side. You can make a nice movement of your hand up and down. If possible, make a nice hand movement, palm movement up and down. Very nice. Relax now. Relax. Now, stretch your leg forward. Stretch your leg forward, parallel to the ground. Parallel to the ground. Make a nice rotation of your leg. Clockwise rotation. Now, anti-clockwise rotation. Very nice. Now, other leg stretch forward. Hope I'm visible to all of you, all my postures. Left leg stretch forward.
Visible.
To the ground. Make a nice rotation of your leg. Now, anti-clockwise. Relax now. Now sit on your mat. Sit on your mat. Sit on your mat. Both the legs stretch by your side. Both the legs stretch by your side. Make sure your back is completely straight. Your spine is comfortably erect. Try if you can hold your fingers. But do as per your capacity. Some people can hold your knees. It's okay. But at least try to bend forward. Some people can reach to their calf muscles. They can hold the calf muscles. And those who can hold your fingers, make sure you're bending from your abdomen. Do not bend from middle of your spine. Stay there for a few seconds. This is a wonderful stretch for opening of our hip joints. It gives a wonderful massage to our thigh muscles, calf muscles. Very nice. Inhale up. Feel the stretch on your entire leg. Now, left hand goes back, middle of your spine. Your right leg is turning right side. Left leg is turning towards your left side. Turn your entire body towards your left side. Feel the stretch on your thigh, calf muscles, your hip joints. Very nice. Inhale, center. Now, your left leg is turning towards your right side. Right leg is turning towards your left side. Now, right hand goes back. Left hand also goes back. Feel the stretch on your entire back, your hips, your thighs, your calf muscles. This is quite relaxing posture. Now inhale, center, inhale, center. Now sit in a Sukhasana. Okay, before sitting in a Sukhasana, let us do a butterfly posture. Join both the soles of your feet. Join both the soles of your feet. Interlock your hands. Slide your hand around it. Push your legs towards your perineal place. Push and little more. Make sure your back is comfortably erect. You can close your eyes. You can close your eyes and focus at base of your spine where our Muladhara chakra is present. So this particular asana, which activates our Muladhara chakra, mechanized swinging movement of your leg. Do a maximum movement of your leg. Keep smile on your face like a happy butterfly. Swing little higher. Do a maximum movement of your leg. Maximum movement of your leg. So this particular asana, which activates the organs located at our abdomen region, our liver, pancreas, intestine, spleen, all the vital organs are getting activated. Make sure your back is comfortably erect. Very nice. Now slowly open your eyes. Open your eyes. Now take your legs a little bit forward. Little bit forward. And first inhale. Take your head back. Exhale. Try touch your forehead to the floor. Make sure you're bending only from your abdomen. Inhale up. Inhale up. Now keep the distance between your legs. Keep the distance between your legs. First inhale, bend back. Exhale, try touch your forehead to the floor. Again, inhale, head straight, very nice. Now, sit in a Sukhasana only. Sit in a Sukhasana, preferably any meditative posture, which is Padmasana, Ardha Siddhasana or Vajrasana. But do as per your capacity. If you feel comfortable, then only sit in that particular posture. I'll tell you how to sit in a Padmasana. Put your right leg on your left thigh, closer to your abdomen. Your left leg on your right thigh, closer to your left abdomen. But those who have a knee pain, avoid sitting in this posture. Sit in a Sukhasana. But those who can, sit in a Padmasana. So right hand, right thumb exactly in front of your eye. Now we'll work on very important part of our body, which is our eyes. This hardly gets exercise in a day. This is the time where we can give attention to our eyes, to our eye muscles. So take your right thumb exactly in front of your eye. Focus at your right thumb. Once you attain the focus, very slowly and very gently, take your thumb closer to your nose. Keep focus. Do not shift your focus. Take your thumb as close as possible, where you'll find double vision. Forward. Take your thumb forward. Keep the focus again closer to your nose. Very gentle movement. Do not do a fast movement. Again, forward. Now take your hand towards your right side. Here, only eyeball movement, no body movement, no neck movement, only eyeball movement. Take it to your right side. as right as possible. Again, center. Very nice. Now, take your left thumb exactly in front of your eye. Take it to your left side. As left as possible till you can see your point. Again, forward. Very nice. Now look extreme up. Look extreme up. Stay there. Feel the stretch. Your eye muscles are getting stretched upside. Those who are wearing specs, please remove your specs and do this exercise. Look at your right. Look at your extreme right. Look down. Look at your left. Now feel the stretch on your entire eye muscles. Make a nice clockwise rotation of your eyeballs. But feel the stretch on your entire eye muscles. Now anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise eyeball movement. Very nice. So, one second. Yeah. So we'll do still more little bit exercise for our face only. So it increases glow on your face. How to do it? So with the help of your tongue, push your left cheek and you're looking extreme right. Now with the help of your tongue, push your right cheek. Left, right. Now feel the air in your mouth and make a nice balloon like this and rinse the air in your entire mouth. Very nice. Relax now. Relax. So let us do some of the sitting asanas now. So sit in a Padmasana. Sit in a Vajrasana. Sorry. If you feel some discomfort in your leg, just stretch your legs. Little bit forward, back. Little bit forward and back. Because when we sit in a Padmasana, since we do not have a habit in sitting in Padmasana, so just loosen up your leg muscles. Now sit in a Vajrasana. So your heels are touching to your hips. We'll do a wonderful asana, which is Mandukasana. So how to do Mandukasana is make a nice fist of your hand. Make a nice fist of your hand. This side of your hand, it goes below your beneath of your navel region. Exhale. Make sure you're bending only from your back or only from your abdomen region. So exhale, bend forward, look straight, look straight. So Mandukasana is wonderful asana for those who are suffering with a diabetic. Since this particular asana, it helps in regulate insulin secretion. So this is a quite recommended asanas. Those who are already suffering, they can do this particular asana at least 3 to 4 times in a day. Inhale up, but make sure you're doing this asana after at least 3 to 4 hours of gap in between your meal. So we'll do one more time. Please do it. Make a nice fist of your hand. Put your fist below your navel region. First inhale, exhale completely, and bend forward. Look straight. Do not look down. Look straight. But to get the maximum benefit, you need to stay in this particular posture at least 35 to 40 seconds. So inhale up. Since we have done the forward bending, always make sure to do a counter posture. So whenever we are doing forward bending, always do a backward bending. So we'll do fish pose, Matsyasana. So how to do Matsyasana? Be in this posture only. Those who have a knee pain, they can straighten their legs. And regular members, those who can do a Matsyasana, they can sit in a Vajrasana. So how to do it? Come on your elbows first. Very slowly drop off your head. Is touching to the floor. Do not put much pressure on your head. So slowly slip your support of your elbows. Stay there. This is again a wonderful posture for those who are suffering with the back pain or lower back pain. This is a wonderful and recommended asana, Matsyasana. So come on your elbows very gently. Do not rush for sitting on your back. Very slowly come up. We'll do one more backward bending. Come on your knees. Your distance between your knee is in line with your shoulder. So how to do it? With the help of your thumb finger, pressurize your last vertebra. Inhale, bend back. Stay there. This is a wonderful posture for our entire digestive system. Exhale, come up. Now we'll do Shashankasana. How to do Shashankasana? Sit in a Vajrasana only. Just bend, just stretch your hands forward. Make sure your head is touching to the floor. Your forehead is touching to the floor. Have a blissful feeling since our forehead is touching to our Mother Earth. Have a blissful feeling. Stay there. This is quite relaxing posture. Now, sleep on your abdomen. Sleep on your abdomen. Sleep on your abdomen. Sleep on your abdomen. In a Makarasana. Bend your both legs. Keep smile on your face. Again down. Again up. Again down. Very nice. Arrange your both the hands by side of your shoulder. Chin on the floor. Inhale. Lift your head up. Your forearm is on the floor. Exhale. Go down. We'll do complete Bhujangasana now. So inhale. Lift your head up, chest up, your elbows are straight. Look up. So again, this is a wonderful stretch for our low back. It strengthens our lumbar region. Also, it activates the organs located at your abdomen level. So whenever we do yoga, always observe which part of your body is getting squeezed or getting stressed. That particular organ or the organs located at that particular area is getting benefited or active. So exhale, go down. I will show you same posture from the sides only. So stay there, chin on the floor. Inhale, lift your head up, chest up, abdomen up. Look up, look up. Head center, look at your right. You should see in such a way that you should be able to see your left heel. Stay there. Inhale, head center. Exhale, turn your head towards your left side. Center. Last time, look up. So whenever you are taking your head up, your neck is getting stretched, where our thyroid and parathyroid glands are getting activated. Exhale, go down. Now flip your body. Flip your body. Flip your body. Now lift your right leg up. Lift your right leg up. Down. Again up. Down. Again right leg up. Bend your right leg. Very nice. You guys are doing amazing. Now hold your right leg, push your right leg towards your chest, closer to your chest. This is called Pawan Muktasana with one leg. So if your right leg is bent, your right side of your body is getting squeezed, lift your head up, touch your chin to your chest, stay there, feel the stretch on your right side. Inhale, head goes down. Those who have cervical problem, do not lift their head. Stay there. Now, very slowly release your right leg, left leg up, down, left leg up, down. One more time, left leg up, bend your left leg, hold your leg, push your leg closer to your chest. So when your right side of your body is getting squeezed, that time your liver and kidney is getting benefited. When your left side of your body is getting squeezed or stretched, your pancreas are getting benefited. So exhale, touch your chin to your chest, touch your chin to your chest, down. Keep pressure on your left leg. Both legs stretch forward. Now both legs up, down. Both legs up, down, up. Bend your both the legs now. Now we'll do complete Pawan Muktasana. So hold your both the legs. Push your legs towards your chest. Hold your left wrist of your hand. Create pressure on your abdomen. So this particular asana is wonderful asana for releasing excess gas which gets accumulated in our intestine due to our eating habits like eating pizza or maida related products. It creates many gas pockets in our large intestine. So this particular asana, it helps to release the gas, but to create a deeper pressure, tuck your chin in between your knee. Tuck your chin in between your knee. Stay there. Those who have a cervical problem, raise their head on the floor, but keep pressure on your leg. You can do this particular asana. Sometimes if you feel discomfort in your stomach, but make sure at least 1 or 2 hours of gap is there in between your meal. So this particular Pawan Muktasana will help you to release the excess gas from your body. Very nice. Release now. Relax. Relax completely. Both legs straight forward, parallel to the ground. We'll do last asana and we'll close our Yogasana session. Both the hands, join both the hands in Namaste, which is called Makarasana. Hands by our side. Bend your both the legs. Left leg goes above your right leg. Leg goes towards your right side. Head goes towards your left side. Feel the wonderful stretch at your back. This also activates our entire digestive system, our colons, large intestine, small intestine gets activated, and also the muscles which is responsible for digestion, it gets wonderful massage in this particular posture. Stay there. Head, leg center. Now left leg, right leg goes above your left leg. Both leg goes towards your left side. Head goes towards your right side. Feel the stretch on your entire back, your lumbar region. Stay there. Last 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now sleep in a Shavasana, a very relaxing posture. Very relaxing posture. Relax your body completely. Sleep in a Shavasana only. I am sitting because giving you some instructions. You please lie down on your mat. Sleep in a Shavasana. Put your entire body weight on the floor. Relax your body completely. Sleep in a Shavasana only. Your little finger of your feet is touching to the floor. Your body is completely relaxed. Relax your body completely. Your body is still, mind is still. You're just relaxing. No thoughts in your mind. Relax your body completely in Shavasana. Now bring your attention to your breath. Focus on your breath. Since incoming breath energize your body, outgoing breath relaxes your body. While sleeping in Shavasana only, take a deep energizing breathe in and relaxing breathe out. Keep focus on your breath. Again, bring back your attention to your breath. Since incoming breath energizes your body, outgoing breath relaxes your body. Now take your attention to your feet. Relax your feet, your sole, your feet fingers, your heels, your ankle. Relax them completely. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your knee, both the knees. Back side of your knee. Your thigh muscles. Consciously take your attention to your thighs. Relax them completely. Your hips, relax them completely. Your genitals, relax your both the legs. Now take your attention to your abdomen, your stomach, the organs located at your abdomen, your liver, pancreas, intestine, spleen is getting relaxed completely. Focus on your navel region. Consciously take your attention to your navel region. Relax them completely. Now take your attention to your chest. The organs located at your chest, your heart, your lungs, relax them completely. Your neck, take your attention to your neck. Your thyroid and parathyroid gland is completely activated. Relax your complete neck region. Relax your both the hands from your shoulder, from elbow, your forearms. Relax them completely. Your back side of your neck. Relax them completely. Relax your entire spine, which starts from your neck till your tailbone. Relax your entire spine. With your mental eye, take your attention to your entire spine. Your facial muscles, relax them completely. Your forehead, your eyebrows, eyes, nose, your cheeks, your lips, your chin. Relax your entire facial muscles. Keep gentle smile on your face. Both the ears. Now backside of your head. Top of your head. Relax your entire body from head to toe. Now again, bring back your attention to your breath. Incoming breath, energize your body. Outgoing breath, relaxes your body. Now, be aware of your surrounding. Be aware of yourself. Twinkle your both legs. Bend your both legs. Turn your body towards your right side. And with the support of your left hand, sit on your mat. Sit on your mat. Now we'll have a wonderful session of pranayam. Please sit comfortably on your mat. Sit in a Sukhasana. Sit in a Sukhasana. Your both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Tip of your thumb finger and index finger is touching to each other. Both the hands loosely placed on your thighs. Now we'll work on very important part of our body, which is mind, through our pranayam session. So eyes remains closed. Make sure your spine is comfortably erect. Your back is straight. So let us breathe in through our nostril. Always have a gentle breathe in, like smelling a flower. Like how gentle it should be. If we keep feather below your nose, it should not flutter. That much gentle breathe in and breathe out. Okay. So we'll do small exercise of breathing pranayam. How to do it? First, breathe in through our nostril. Hold a breath. Hold a breath. How to hold your breath is tighten your chest muscle and stomach muscles. Fill your lungs with full of oxygen. Hold your breath and we'll breathe out through our mouth like okay. So let us do it together for 5 times. Breathe in through our nostril, hold a breath, breathe out through our mouth. So let us do it together with me. Breathe in. Hold. Hold your breath. Breathe out through your mouth. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Last 2 times. Give you 100%. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Very nice. One more time, last time. Breathe in. Hold. Breathe out. Relax now. Normalize your breathe. Relax your breath completely. Now we'll do Bhastrika Pranayam. In Bhastrika Pranayam, when we inhale, we take our hands up and forcefully exhalation through our nostril. So Bhastrika Pranayam, which helps in clearing a nasal passage, especially in this monsoon season. This also generate heat in your body. So let us do it together 20 times, 2 rounds. Make a nice fist of your hand. Loosely place in front of your shoulder. Let us do it together. Take a normal breathe in. Breathe out completely. And in Bhastrika, breathe in, 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 and relax. Observe the rush of energy into your body. Be with your feeling. Observe the rush of energy into your body. Now we'll do one more round of Bhastrika, but this time arrange both the hands at your chest level. When we breathe out, we'll take our hands by our side like this. So take a normal breathing. Breathe out completely. And in Bhastrika, with full enthusiasm, breathe in, 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 and relax. Observe the pranam entering into your body. Your body is completely getting relaxed. No thoughts in your mind. Normalize your breath. Be with your feeling. Now we'll do Anulom Vilom Pranayam. In Anulom Vilom Pranayam, your left hand is in Gyan Mudra. Use your right hand. Always close your right nostril with your thumb finger. Your index finger and middle finger is touching to your palm. with your ring finger and little finger, always close your left nostril. So how to do Anulom Vilom Pranayam? First, exhale through your left nostril by closing your right. Once you exhale completely, inhale through your left, exhale through your right, in through your right, out through your left. This is the one cycle. In through your left, out through your right, in through your right, out through your left. Continue doing it for 3 to 4 minutes by yourself. Your breath should be very gentle. Your neighbor should not be hear your breath sound. That much gentle breathe in and breathe out. Last cycle. Exhale through your left and close Anulom Vilom Pranayam. This is a wonderful pranayam where it balances the energy into our body. Since our right side of our body represents Chandra Nadi, left side of our body represents right side of your body represents Surya Nadi, left side of our body represents Chandra Nadi. So it brings balance between your both the nadis. Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So let us do Brahmari Pranayam. In Brahmari Pranayam, keep your one set of finger on your forehead, second set of finger on your eyes, third set of finger below your nose, fourth set of finger on your chin level, And with the help of your thumb finger, close your earlobes and we'll make a nice humming sound like a honey bee. When we deep inhale, while exhaling, make a nice humming sound 3 times and feel the vibration which starts at your throat and travel towards your brain. Let us do it together 3 times. Very nice. Relax. Normalize your breath. Normalize your breath. Now we'll chant Om 5 times and we'll close today's session. But this time we'll chant Om differently. It's a arm chanting. How to do arm chanting is open your mouth widen and we'll say ah, oo and mo. When we say ah, open your mouth widen, feel the vibration at your navel region. When we say oo, feel the vibration at your chest level. When we say or mo, feel the vibration which starts at your neck, throat level and travel towards your brain. I will show you how to chant Om first. Inhale deeply. So give equal duration of time for ah, oo, and mo. Initially, if you don't feel vibration, just focus in those particular area and enjoy this arm chanting together with me. Take a normal breathing. Breathe out completely. Take a deep breathing and chant Om together with me. Normalize. Complete silence for a few seconds and be with your feeling. Now join your hands in Namaste. Now we'll pray to our God Almighty with full of gratitude in our heart. Let's pray to our God Almighty. Thank God for giving us such a wonderful life, family, friends, society. Keep them healthy, wealthy, and fit. Thank God for giving us everything. So rub your palm, clap. All of us clap together, which will activate our acupressure point. Is located at our palm region. Rub your palm. Generate energy. Keep beautiful smile on your face. And take this energy on your face. Massage your throat. Pull your ears from all the direction, which will activate our brain cells. And while keeping your beautiful smile, open your wonderful eyes. Namaste. Again, good morning, everyone.
Namaste.
And thank you so much for joining today's session. So let us close today's session with laughter. Let us laugh together. Do not bother about anything. Do not bother about anyone. So laugh like a child, okay? Together. Now we laugh like there is something funny joke has been cracked. Like that, like do not bother. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mohini ji. You have conducted a yoga session in a very nice manner. Both we are very happy.
Hope you enjoy, all of you.
Definitely. We enjoyed the session. You have conducted the session in a different manner. Routine, there is some innovative asana and innovative techniques. Yes, definitely. We really happy, and this will benefit to everyone. Definitely everyone. So we feel proud that our Bharatiya Kanya from Dubai presenting the yoga and giving such a nice message through this Samvad International Yoga class. Really, we feel proud. And again, we feel proud. You are from Maharashtra, Sangli, actually. So,
Yes.
yeah, really good. Yoga Sadhaka is really happy because you are promoting and just काय म्हणतात त्याला मराठीमध्ये जतन करताय आपण या सगळ्या संस्कृतीचं. हे अत्यंत महत्त्वाचं. गुड. बहुत बढ़िया. You are highly qualified. Still, you are providing the services to everyone. This is a woman's kind service, is a God service actually. माधव सेवा ही ईश्वर सेवा होती है. तो डेफिनेटली आप इस माध्यम से, योगा के माध्यम से दुबई में भी फ्री क्लासेस लेती है, प्रोफेशनल क्लास भी आप लेती है. और आज हमारे रिक्वेस्ट पे एक फोन पे हमारे आपने बहुत संवाद इंटरनेशनल योग वर्ग के साधकों को बहुत अच्छी सेवाएं दी. हमारे जो योग साधक है अप्पा कांबड़े सर, उनका मैं शारजा से है, आपका नाम उन्होंने सजेस्ट किया था, उनको पहले धन्यवाद दूंगा. और आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. सभी योग साधकों को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा मैं जोरदार ताली बजा के हमारे मोहिनी जी का हम आभार व्यक्त करेंगे. बहुत सही, बहुत अच्छा. और क्योंकि वहां पे मेरे ख्याल से 1.5 घंटा पीछे हम 6:15 बजे कनेक्ट हुए थे इंडियन टाइम अनुसार, तब वहां पे मेरे ख्याल से 4:45 वगैरह कुछ समय होगा. फिर भी हमारे लिए आपने अपनी सेवा दी है, बहुत अच्छी सेवा दी है. और हमारा एक मोहिनी जी विश्व संवाद करके सत्र होता है. या तो उसमें हम जनरली क्या करते कि वहाँ क्या लाइफस्टाइल क्या है, उस कंट्री के बारे में थोड़ा जानना चाहते कि इस कोरोना महामारी में बहुत जन अपने घर में है, तो क्योंकि मन से भ्रमंती हो सकती है, तो डेफिनेटली वहां पे क्या विशेषताएं है, वहां का जीवन मान क्या है, उसके बारे में 2-3 मिनट जानकारी दीजिए।
In Dubai में तो actually the situation is like quite normal because everyone is vaccinated here. Yeah. And like yeah, people are healthy because of the like those who are doing yoga. The really yoga can help to stabilize your mental state.
Okay.
So I would recommend everyone, please do your practice every day and keep your mental state.
Definitely.
And thank you so much. This is all the blessings from your side.
Yes.
Nothing new, I have done it.
Okay. Thank you, Moini ji. There is a Rajashree Gaikwad from Singapore. Kuldeep Awasthi from Chandigarh. इन सभी योग साधक, हेमलता जी फ्रॉम पंजाब। एक मिनट म्यूट करना आपने। जिन्हें भी अपनी प्रतिक्रिया देनी है, कृपया इस वर्ग के बारे में प्रतिक्रिया दे सकते हैं। यू मे गिव फीडबैक रिगार्डिंग दिस टुडेस क्लास। एक मिनट, मैं सबको म्यूट करता हूं अभी। आज के इस वर्ग फीडबैक देना है, बिल्कुल दे सकते हैं। आपका जिन्हें भी बात करना है बिल्कुल वो अपना अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं और वर्क के बारे में, इस क्लास के बारे में आप डेफिनेटली फीडबैक दे सकते हैं।
Excellent session, madam. I am Kuldeep Awasthi from Chandigarh. This is a very excellent session, and we all have given a different type of yoga on many when to breathe in, when to breathe out, when to lay. There's a Savasana, Bhastrika. All things are very nice and very effective. And thanks, you are for India doing the wonderful services in Dubai. Thanks a lot. Thanks very much.
Thank you, Kuldeep sir. Thank you, Moini ji. Kuldeep sir is also a yoga trainer. He is from Chandigarh, Punjab, and he's completed his level 2, and he's continuously
level 3.
Yeah, level 3. Congratulations, level 3.
Yeah, great to hear about you. Thank you, Kuldeep ji.
Thank you, Moni ji. Thank you.
I think Rajashree is from Singapore. She may give feedback. Rajashree Haika.
Hello.
Hi, hello. Rajashree, बोलिए.
Yeah, good morning. Actually,
morning.
Today's session was excellent. I think I missed initial part of the session, but definitely I will see it on the recorded classes. I appreciate that due to the time differences also that you could do this. Like, I mean, I can understand what is the time difference, the things such early morning you wake up, and with that enthusiastic, energetic way you give the today's session. So thanks a lot.
Good. I really enjoyed taking today's class as well. So anyway, this is my regular waking up time because our yoga session starts here at 5:15 as per Dubai time, and anyway I get up early around 4:30. So that's my regular time. It did not disturb the schedules.
It's really inspirational for all of us. Yeah, definitely.
So sweet of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rajashree. Rajashree is a very active member, and she is our Samvad coordinator. Definitely, she is very active and joining the different yoga sadhaka to our Samvad Yoga Varga. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Very
nice.
हेमलता फ्रॉम पंजाब, मेरे ख्याल से बात करना चाहती है। हेमलता जी ऑल्सो योगा ट्रेनर. ओके.
Hi Moini ji, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you so much.
Ma'am, today's session was very wonderful and it was in a good tune. The fluency.
I can understand Hindi also, guys. You can speak in Hindi as well.
Yeah.
No, ma'am, it was very good session and I enjoyed very much. Really.
Yeah.
Very good.
Good. Definitely. We are very lucky. There are different.
I'm really happy to see all of you have joined till the end. Actually.
Yeah. Definitely.
That's a wonderful thing.
Yeah.
Of this, say, this is NGO or how it is?
No. This is not NGO. This is an individual class. I started from 4-5 people.
Very nice.
Before 7 months. I think
Okay.
3rd March. Yeah. And this now this is a worldwide. Near about the 14 countries join, and there are 1,000 yoga sadhaka. There are 7 group of this Samvad International Yoga. We put all the recording in the different groups, so they take a benefit of this Samvad Yoga Varga. So we
Very
are
nice.
to serve the mankind, definitely.
नहीं, बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सबको मिलके एक्चुअली, एंड आप लोग सब लोग enthusiastically रोज आप योगा करते हो. That's a very good thing.
Yeah.
We are benefiting our own body and also keeping our surrounding people happy and healthy.
और मोहिनी जी ये हफ्ते में वीक में 3 बार होता, मंगलवार, बुधवार, गुरुवार सिर्फ, बाकी दिन अपने हिसाब से करना है. तो अभी रक्षा ठाकुर फ्रॉम हिमाचल प्रदेश, शी इज आल्सो गुड नाइस ट्रेनर. आई थिंक शी शुड गिव द फीडबैक. आप बात कर सकते हैं, बिल्कुल फीडबैक दे सकते हैं रक्षा जी.
प्रणाम सभी को, और मोहिनी जी को भी बहुत बहुत गुड मॉर्निंग, प्रणाम. और
गुड मॉर्निंग.
बहुत ही नाइस था, वेरी नाइस सेशन. ऐसे लग रहा था जैसे आंखें ही ना खोलनी हो, बस बहुत ही आनंद आया. आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और भाई राजू जी का भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करते हैं, जिनकी वजह से हम पूरे विश्व को देख पा रहे हैं और पूरे विश्व के लोगों से मिल पा रहे हैं. बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है, नया कुछ सीखने को मिलता है रोज, और नया कुछ देखने को मिलता है. हम घर से ही पूरे विश्व का भ्रमण कर लेते हैं. बहुत ही नाइस सेशन. आपका सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
So nice of you, Raksha. Thank you so much.
रक्षा जी सिरमौर हिमाचल प्रदेश से है, और उन्होंने भी एक बार क्लास बहुत बेहतरीन लिया था. आपका मोबाइल घुमा के बाजू की नेचुरल ब्यूटी एक बार और बता दो हमको सबको, बिल्कुल बता दो, क्योंकि वहाँ पे हिमाचल प्रदेश में जो ब्यूटी है वो विश्व भ्रमण की
बैठी है. पहले तो
बहुत बढ़िया. कैट भी योगा करिए. यस
खुद ही आ गई है चुपचाप ही बाद में. हाँ जी, और मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ.
यस.
हाँ जी, ये एप्पल के बगीचे है.
हाँ.
Such a lovely climate.
फुटाणे साहेब तुमचा ऑडिओ बंद करा. फुटाणे साहेब ऑडिओ बंद करा, तुम्ही मदत दिसता एकदम. चलो.
और ये पहाड़ियां है हिमाचल की.
यस, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बेहतरीन. देखो हम घर बैठे बैठे.
It's real, baby.
ये साथ में रिवर है पहाड़ों के बीच, और पहाड़ों में घर इस तरह से होते हैं.
थैंक यू. बहुत रक्षा जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच. सुबह सुबह बहुत नेचुरल ब्यूटी हमें देखने को मिली, और विश्व भ्रमंती हमें बिल्कुल लगता नहीं हम अकेले और घर में बैठे हैं. आपके साथ में हिमाचल प्रदेश के भी हमने शहर किए, और बहुत अच्छा लगा. और मोहिनी जी, आपने दुबई के बारे में भी जो विशेषता बताई, डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छा लगा. हमें बिल्कुल ये विश्व परिवार है, और हम एक दूसरे के मोबाइल के माध्यम से, जूम के माध्यम से, फेसबुक के माध्यम से कनेक्टेड है. हर देश में तू, हर भेष में तू, तेरे नाम अनेक तू एक ही है. डेफिनेटली हम सब एक है, हर आत्मा में परमात्मा एक, इसकी अनुभूति हमें डेफिनेटली आ रही है. तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. और कोई देना चाहता फीडबैक? हाँ मोहिनी जी, समय है ना आपको?
जी है. It's just 6:20 here.
बर्ड सर फ्रॉम कोकण, ही इज फ्रॉम रायगढ़. बर्ड सर.
Okay.
हेलो.
हाँ बोलिए सर.
हाँ, सभी को शुभेच्छा. हैप्पी थॉट्स. आज का क्लास बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ. वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू. बहुत बढ़िया. नॉर्मली जो छोटी छोटी बातें थी वो अपने को समझ में आया, कैसा करना है, ब्रीदिंग कैसा लेना है, ब्रीदिंग कैसा छोड़ना है, ये बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से हमें समझ में आया. अब जो भी हम करते हैं वो तंत्र पूर्वक यानी टेक्निकली किया तो उसका अपने को बहुत ही अच्छा लाभ होगा.
अच्छा बेनिफिट
तो
है.
ये सब वही बेनिफिट मिलना है तो वो अपने को तांत्रिक दृष्टि से यानी टेक्निकली करना है तो अपने को अपनी बॉडी अपने को साथ देगी, और हम बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से अपना जीवन निकालेंगे, चलेंगे. 100 साल तक जिएंगे, लेकिन सबको साथ लेके जिएंगे, ऐसा हम प्रार्थना करते हैं, प्रभु से प्रार्थना करते हैं। और आप सबको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। हैप्पी थॉट्स।
हैप्पी थॉट्स, बहुत अच्छी प्रतिक्रिया दी। हेल्थ इज मोर देन वेल्थ, और ऐसे ट्रेनर होने के बावजूद सब लोगों को डेफिनेटली हेल्दी रहेंगे, अच्छे रहेंगे, क्योंकि अपने जीवन का 1.5-2 घंटा रोज सुबह मोहिनी, रक्षा जी, जितने भी अभी तक योगा ट्रेनर ने फीडबैक दिया, अब हम सब दे रहे हैं, तो डेफिनेटली बहुत अच्छी बात है हम सब के लिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और हमारी
थैंक यू सो मच।
और कोई फीडबैक देना चाहता वॉलंटरीली? हाँ, शोभा गुल्लाने, डॉक्टर प्राध्यापक शोभाताई गुल्लाने फ्रॉम अमरावती। बोलिए मैडम।
नमस्ते। मोहिनी जी, आपने बहुत ही अच्छा और हर एक प्राणायाम का अलग अलग से, जैसे राजू सर बोलते हैं कि हर एक आइसक्रीम का फ्लेवर अलग अलग होता है, वैसे आज आपने जो भस्त्रिका का जो नया प्रकार हमें मालूम पड़ा, वो भी बहुत बढ़िया था। और बाकी भी प्राणायाम आपने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से, और जो सूक्ष्म व्यायाम वगैरह है वो भी बहुत बढ़िया बताया है, और बहुत अच्छा आपने लिया है। धन्यवाद आपका।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू
शोभा जी, बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू। और आप कंटिन्यूसली ज्वाइन रहते, लोगों को भी जोड़ते, आपके रिलेटिव को भी योग संवाद से जोड़ा है आपने, बहुत अच्छी बात है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। और कोई बात करना चाहता? फुटाने सर फ्रॉम अमरावती। फुटाने, हाँ
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्कार।
मैं अर्चना सर।
हेलो।
हाँ, अर्चना।
हेलो, नमस्कार।
अर्चना
बहुत
तो
ही
अर्चना तो एक
अच्छा और परफेक्ट
फुटाने सर बात कर रहे हैं। हाँ हाँ,
हेलो,
फुटाने सर बोलिए।
हाँ हाँ, बहुत ही अच्छा मैडम, आपने क्लास लिया, बहुत परफेक्ट क्लास लिया। हमारे इस राजू डांगे योगा ग्रुप में देश विदेश से लोग जुड़े हुए हैं। आपने हमारे लिए समय दिया, और आपके योगा में बहुत ही परफेक्शन था, और दूसरों के लिए कुछ करने की भावना आपने है, और आपने हमारे लिए समय निकाला। इसलिए मैं साधक इस नाते से आपका अभिनंदन करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ। धन्यवाद।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू वेरी मच। बहुत अच्छा फीडबैक आपने दिया, और हर बार पिछले 7 महीने से कंटिन्यूसली आप ज्वाइन है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अर्चना सोनवणे फ्रॉम पुणे। बोलिए मैडम।
नमस्कार सर।
नमस्ते।
हाँ, मैडम ने आप बहुत ही अच्छा क्लास किया, और मैं कितना अच्छा लगा, बहुत ही फ्रेश लगा।
थैंक यू। वो फ्रेश करने के लिए बिल्कुल 1.5 घंटा आपको देते हैं जीवन में। बिल्कुल दिन आपका जो बाकी के 23 घंटे बहुत आराम से जाएंगे, इसलिए 1.5 घंटा आप सब विश्व के लिए देते हैं मोहिनी जी। थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू अर्चना जी।
थैंक यू अर्चना जी। हैव अ ब्लेस्ड डे अहेड।
ओके, कोमल मैडम मेरे ख्याल से बात करना चाहती। कोमल साठे, पुणा।
नमस्कार मैम।
हाँ, नमस्ते।
नमस्ते कोमल मैडम।
आज का क्लास बहुत अच्छा हुआ, हमने सब ने एंजॉय किया। थैंक यू।
ओके, बिल्कुल।
थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू।
और वॉलंटियरली
स्वीट ऑफ यू।
बहुत समय आपने मोहिनी जी दिया। पुनश्च मैं आपका बहुत सभी योग साधकों के ओर से तहे दिल से धन्यवाद व्यक्त करना चाहता। और हमारे जो योग साधक है अप्पा जी कांबड़े सर शारजाह से, उनका भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि उन्होंने आपके बारे में बताता कि बहुत अच्छा क्लास आप लेती है, और डेफिनेटली हमारे संवाद इंटरनेशनल क्लास में मैडम का क्लास होना चाहिए। तो उसके मुताबिक आपने बिल्कुल हमें सहकार्य किया। एक फोन पे, एक मैसेज पे आपने जो सेवाएं दी, उस सेवाएं के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। आपका जो सम्मान पत्र है हम व्हाट्सएप पे जरूर भेजेंगे, और इसका वर्क का लाभ एक रिकॉर्डिंग के माध्यम से डेफिनेटली 4000 फेसबुक पे संवाद इंटरनेशनल ग्रुप पे कुछ साधक है, और हमारे जो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप है करीबन 1000 योग साधक है, उन सबको बेनिफिट डेफिनेटली होगा। क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग है कि 8-8 10-10 दिन के बाद में रिकॉर्डिंग पूरा देखते, तो डेफिनेटली इसका लाभ हर व्यक्ति तक जाएगा। अ सिंगल सेंटेंस कैन चेंज लाइफ। एक थॉट्स भी, एक आपका जो आपने बातें बताई है, तो डेफिनेटली उन लोगों तक पहुंचेंगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच। संवाद अंतरराष्ट्रीय योग वर्ग के वती से मैं आपको पुनश्च दया दिल से धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा। और कल का जो क्लास है नंदुरबार से हमारी करीना जो है वो लेने वाली है। परसों का 28 तारीख को आसाम से जो है हमारी बहन जी वो लेने वाली है। 30 तारीख को रीता जो है वो भी इंटरनेशनल ट्रेनर है, पोद्दार इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में योगा टीचर है, 30 तारीख को लेने वाली है। तो सभी को पुनश्च मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा, सभी योग साधकों का जो कोऑपरेशन है उनको भी तहे दिल से धन्यवाद। और आज का सेशन हम यहाँ ही समाप्त करते हैं। थैंक यू मोहिनी जी, थैंक यू अगेन।
Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much.
Good day. Good day.
Good. Have a blessed day ahead.